The main advice of every language experts is don't learn words but phrases. So I searched on Google Italian phrases. I got phrases only for traveling, self introduction, and greetings. But these phrases are not enough when we are conversing. We need our own sentences. So we have to learn how to make our own sentences. But we only know a little bit of words, verbs, and grammar as beginners. Can we make sentences using our simple knowledge of Italian? Yes, of course. There is a method called story making technique. It's simple. As beginners in Italian, we all can use this method. Let me show you how it works. There are two steps. In first step, you have to make sentences as much as you can. So I wrote down two sentences here. You can write any two sentences here. Maybe you found some sentences from a YouTube video, from a podcast, or even from a book. Now I'm going to make various sentences using only these two sentences. Now time for second step. You wrote various sentences in step 1. Choose several sentences that you like from those. Then make a short story. There's no need to make a word-winning story. Just simple one story or two. Make a story. Let's check those out. As humans, we love reading, hearing, and telling stories. So, how cool is that? If we can make stories in language that we are learning, try this method. I'm sure you're gonna improve and live with this language. Remember, the best time to start is